Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make circle nail art. First, ensure you have all your supplies ready, including a variety of dotting tools and at least 2 different nail polish colors. Begin by thoroughly cleaning your nails and applying a thin, even layer of base coat. This step is crucial for protecting your natural nails and ensuring your design lasts longer. Allow the base coat to dry completely before moving on to the next exciting step. Now, let's apply your base color. Paint 2 thin, even coats of your preferred polish, allowing each layer to dry for about 2 minutes. Once dry, select a larger dotting tool and dip it into your contrasting polish. Carefully place a single, prominent dot on your nail, forming the first circle. You can center it or place it slightly off-center for a unique look. Aim for a perfectly round shape. Next, we will add smaller circles to create a layered effect. Choose a smaller dotting tool and a different polish color. Carefully place a smaller dot inside or around your first circle. You can add 2 or 3 concentric circles or even multiple small dots around the main one. Allow each new circle to dry for at least 1 minute before applying the next to prevent smudging. This adds wonderful depth to your design. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Ensure all your beautiful circle designs are completely dry, which might take up to 5 minutes. Then, apply a generous, even layer of a clear top coat over each nail. This step is vital for sealing your artwork, adding a brilliant shine, and preventing chips. For a professional finish, use a small brush dipped in nail polish remover to clean up any stray polish around your cuticles. Enjoy your stunning new nails.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.